the world of drone technology is about to witness another game changer. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is making waves with fresh leaks revealing some astonishing upgrades, including a powerful 1-inch sensor and a game-changing LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance system. If you thought the Mini 4 Pro was top tier, hold on to your propellers because DJI is taking things to the next level. Leaked marketing material hints at major innovations. Leaked promotional materials recently surfaced on X, formerly Twitter, showcasing a sneak peek at what could be DJI's most advanced ultralight drone yet. What's even more exciting? DJI is reportedly keeping the Mini 5 Pro under 250G, ensuring it bypasses strict drone regulations in many countries. What's new? 1-inch camera sensor. Massive leap over the 1/1.3-inch sensor in Mini 4 Pro. LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance. Safer and smarter navigation. 50-minute flight time, the longest yet for a DJI mini-series drone. Extended flight range, up to 25 kilometers, significantly boosting operational reach. Advanced AI-powered subject tracking. Upgraded gimbal for vertical shooting. Perfect for social media creators. Let's break down what these changes mean for drone enthusiasts, photographers, and content creators. Camera upgrade. 1-inch sensor for stunning image quality. One of the most highly anticipated upgrades is the introduction of a 1-inch camera sensor, a substantial improvement over the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. Why is this a big deal? 1-inch sensor benefits. White heavy checkmark better low light performance. More light intake means crisper night shots. White heavy checkmark higher dynamic range. More details in highlights and shadows. White heavy checkmark improved image quality. Sharper, more detailed aerial footage. White heavy checkmark professional grade performance. A step closer to DJI's high-end drones. This positions the Mini 5 Pro as a direct competitor to DJI's Mavic Air and Air 3, but in a much more compact and travel-friendly body. A gimbal revolution. No more software cropping for vertical video. Content creators rejoice. DJI has reportedly redesigned the gimbal system, allowing for native vertical shooting. This means no more software cropping, preserving full resolution for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Additionally, leaks suggest that the gimbal will have an increased tilt range, opening up new creative angles for filmmakers. Upward tilt capabilities could enable dynamic shots never before possible in a mini-series drone. Flight performance. Longest battery life ever in a mini-series drone. 50-minute flight time. A game changer. Leaked specs indicate that the Mini 5 Pro will feature a massive 50-minute battery life, a major upgrade from the 34-minute flight time of its predecessor. This means more time in the air, less time swapping batteries. Extended 25 kilometers flight range. Another breakthrough is the rumored 25 kilometers range, making long-range aerial photography and videography more accessible than ever. This extended range opens doors for adventure vloggers, real estate photographers, and filmmakers looking to capture breathtaking landscapes from new perspectives. Obstacle avoidance gets smarter with LiDAR. Why is LiDAR important? LiDAR, light detection and ranging, is the same cutting-edge tech used in self-driving cars. This is a huge leap from traditional visual sensors, allowing the Mini 5 Pro to detect obstacles with extreme precision, even in low-light conditions or dense environments. How it works. Small blue diamond dual front-facing wide-angle sensors for obstacle detection. Small blue diamond 2 inward-positioned LiDAR sensors for enhanced accuracy. Small blue diamond better performance in foggy, low-light, or complex environments. Small blue diamond smarter, safer flights for both beginners and pros. With this advanced collision avoidance system, DJI could make the Mini 5 Pro one of the safest compact drones ever made. AI-powered flight and precision landing. DJI is doubling down on AI-assisted flight modes. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature next-gen subject tracking, potentially powered by DJI's ActiveTrack 5.0. What this means for drone pilots: pushpin more accurate subject tracking, follow people, vehicles, or objects with greater precision, pushpin advanced autopilot, AI-driven flight paths for cinematic shots, pushpin precision landing, improved sensors for landing in low light and uneven terrain. This AI-enhanced tracking will be a game changer for content creators looking for smooth, professional-looking shots without needing an extra camera operator. Refined design and improved aerodynamics. From the leaked images, the Mini 5 Pro looks similar to the Mini 4 Pro, but subtle refinements set it apart. Additional landing legs on the arms for better stability, sleeker body for improved aerodynamics, lightweight design while still packing in more advanced features. Despite these enhancements, DJI maintains the sub-250g weight, making this drone ideal for travelers and hobbyists who want professional quality without heavy restrictions. Expected price and release date. Will the Mini 5 Pro be expensive? While official pricing remains unknown, industry insiders predict a price bump over the Mini 4 Pro, $999. Given the advanced AI, LiDAR, 1-inch sensor, and extended flight time, the Mini 5 Pro could be priced between $1,100 to $1,300. When is it coming? Rocket DJI is expected to announce the Mini 5 Pro within the next few months. With the frequency of leaks increasing, an official reveal seems imminent. Final thoughts. Is the Mini 5 Pro worth the hype? If the leaks are accurate, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game changer in the ultralight drone category. With its 1-inch sensor, LiDAR-powered obstacle avoidance, extended flight time, and AI-driven tracking, it could be the ultimate choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Who should consider buying it? White heavy checkmark content creators and social media influencers. Vertical video support is a game changer. White heavy checkmark professional aerial photographers. 1-inch sensor and extended flight time mean more creative freedom. White heavy checkmark travel vloggers and adventurers. Ultralight and long range make it perfect for outdoor shooting. White heavy checkmark beginner drone enthusiasts. Smarter obstacle avoidance means safer flights. Stay tuned for more updates as the drone community eagerly awaits DJI's official announcement. Stay locked in with Technology Review for the latest news, reviews, and expert insights. Loudspeaker like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DJI updates.